Hi, my name is Nurzamira. In this video, I will show you a tutorial on how to use Padlet. So, let's get started. Please click the button below this video. First, how to get into Padlet. To get into Padlet, there are three choices. 1. Logged in, if you already have a Padlet account. 2. Sign up if you want to create a Padlet account and save your progress. 3. Continue as guest. If you continue as a guest, you will be anonymous and not getting any notification about Padlet. So let's choose sign up. You can sign up into Padlet by using 4 options, but I will choose Google. Choose your account that you want, type in the password and click next. Padlet have 2 types of plan, which are Pro and Basic plan. So let's choose Basic plan, because it is free. Now, you have been successful to get into a Padlet. Nice job! Next, how to join other people's Padlet. To join a Padlet, you need to click the orange button, located at the top side of the screen. You can join other people's Padlet by using QR code and URL. Usually, people will use URL links. So let's paste the URL link that's been given by my teacher. As an example, click Submit. Now, we are successful to get into my teacher's Padlet. Hooray! Moving to the next part, how to make a Padlet. To make a Padlet, you can simply click the pink button on the top side of the screen. There are a lot of templates that can be choose, but I will choose shelf template. Name your first section as you want, and click enter. To add a shelf, you need to click the plus icon. Type in your subject, and describe it a little bit. At the bottom of the box, there are primary features, such as adding photos, opening the camera, attaching a link, and searching photos. The 3 dots consist of full features in the Padlet. When you are done, click the Publish button. You can change the color of your shelf by clicking the 3 dots. You also can edit, transfer, copy, expand, and delete the shelf. Next, to add a new section, you may click the Section button and repeat the same steps that I have shown you just now. How to customize your Padlet. You can customize your Padlet by clicking the 3 dots on the top right corner of the screen, and click Setting. You can change your Padlet's title, description, icon, color scheme, wallpaper, and font. When you are done, click Save. How to share your Padlet with other people? To share your Padlet, you need to click the 3 dots on the top right corner of your screen. You can choose either QR code or copy link. Let's try the QR code first. You can share this QR code picture with other people by using Telegram or Google Classroom. Now let's try the copy link. When you already copied the link, you can share the link anywhere by pasting the link. Let me paste it here, so you can see how it looks like. That is all from me. Thank you for your time. Good luck.